Having trouble with audio on your Peak Fitness app? You're not alone. As of early 2026, a portion of users, 15 to 20%, are still experiencing intermittent sound problems, specifically with workout guides and music. The core issue involves how the Peak app interacts with your device's audio system and its permissions. Mobile apps like Peak rely on your device's audio session API to manage playback. This API acts like a control center that coordinates how audio is routed through your phone. Problems arise if that session is interrupted by other apps, low memory, or even conflicting settings. These interruptions can break the smooth flow of audio. Also, make sure Peak has the necessary microphone and audio access permissions in your phone's settings. Without these, the app cannot properly manage audio. Unsupported audio formats like AAC versus MP3 can also cause issues. Different formats require different decoding, and if not supported, audio may fail. Bluetooth interference can also cause issues. Wireless connections might conflict with the audio session, leading to dropouts or no sound. Before diving deep, let's try some simple solutions. First, double-check your device's volume and ensure it's not muted. Next, completely close and restart the Peak app. Clearing the app's cache can also help. Finally, make sure both the Peak app and your device's operating system, iOS or Android, are updated to the latest versions. Trying a different network, Wi-Fi versus cellular, is another quick test. If the basic fixes don't work, try reinstalling the Peak app entirely. This clears all cached data and settings that might be causing the audio issues. Also ensure the Bluetooth device you are trying to use does not have a separate volume that is muted. Many wireless headphones and speakers have their own volume controls that can be turned down independently. If this still doesn't work, using developer tools for log analysis can help narrow down the problems. These tools can show detailed error messages and system information that reveal exactly what's causing the audio disruption. Peak is actively working on AI-assisted fixes. They're using predictive analytics to anticipate audio failures based on your device data. A beta patch exists that uses machine learning to auto-detect and resolve common audio glitches. While not a permanent fix, it aims to drastically reduce resolution times. In August 2025, Olympic athlete Sarah Johnson experienced an audio failure during a live-streamed workout that affected millions of viewers. The issue was traced to a rare iOS bug, and Peak released a quick patch within 48 hours using crowdsourced data. On the Peak subreddit, with over 500,000 members, a popular thread detailing a no-sound fix involving disabling background app refresh garnered 10,000 upvotes and became a standard guide. This approach resolved issues for 70% of affected users. In a 2025 case study from a corporate wellness program, audio dropping occurred in group sessions on over 200 devices due to wireless interference. Switching to wired headphones eliminated the issue and led to a 40% reduction in support tickets. These real-world examples highlight the effectiveness of community collaboration and swift technical responses in addressing audio issues and improving user experiences. Tech experts from sites like TechCrunch and Ars Technica attribute Peak's audio issues to over-reliance on third-party libraries in mobile apps. One expert estimates that 25% of all mobile app bugs are audio-related due to software fragmentation across different operating systems. However, Peak's user satisfaction scores for audio stability have improved from 3.8 out of 5 in 2024 to 4.2 out of 5 in 2025, according to App Annie data. This progress comes from ongoing app updates and effective troubleshooting efforts. Looking ahead, Peak's roadmap aims for a significant reduction in audio complaints through blockchain-secured audio integrity checks by 2027. This innovative approach will ensure tamper-proof playback, making audio issues a thing of the past. The broader industry is embracing immersive audio experiences and 5G-enabled low-latency streaming, which will eliminate buffering and provide crystal-clear sound during workouts. While new challenges may emerge from AR/VR integrations, potentially introducing audio conflicts in virtual environments, Peak's focus remains steadfast on delivering a seamless audio experience for all users. To stay ahead, continue keeping both the Peak app and your phone's operating system up to date for the latest fixes and improvements. This concludes our exploration of peak audio issues and solutions. Stay tuned for more updates as technology continues to evolve.